How long have you been with your boyfriend? Who inspired you to be a YouTuber? Don't you miss Thailand? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Radha, and here I am at the car and we are going to do a driving with me, and I think this is going to be very fun. This is my first time doing this. But yeah, I'm so sorry I cannot drive and talk like at the same time, but I will do it later. And now I'm having Robert, my boyfriend. He's going to drive for me, and while I am answering the question, my life update and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get started. First of all, we are going to get some drink, and yeah, let's get to where are we going? We are going to Starbucks.
Yes, we're going to Starbucks.
Okay, so we are going to Starbucks right now and get some drink first. So that's a pretty good start. We are at Starbucks.
Can I get a tall iced chocolate with almond milk? Right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So we got the good stuff. I like cinnamon dolce latte. I don't know if I say the right way. I always have a problem with these words.
I got my iced dark chocolate with almond milk. This is so good. Okay, so I think it's about time for Q&A. We already got the drink, and yep. The first question is, if tomorrow you can leave and move to another country, which country would it be?
I think Switzerland. That's
or you
the
want to
country.
go to Switzerland?
Yes,
Why?
because it's a small country. It's nice country with the mountains, very beautiful, and there is not so much corruption going on in that country.
Okay, I would say England because there are so many beautiful architecture right there. The environment is great. And
Absolutely.
Next question. Who inspired you to be a YouTuber?
Oh, okay.
My god.
So
Okay.
let's hear.
Okay, so who inspired me to be a YouTuber is the person who is sitting next to me. Yeah.
Wow! Why?
He really liked to take a video, all that kind of stuff. Like it's like
Since
his
I was
hobby.
young.
Yeah,
Since I was
he
young. All my friends like photography, but I was the only one who liked to take videos.
Yeah, and he also taught me how to edit the videos. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like that, and it was fun. It was fun doing that. So I kept continue doing this, and yeah, I love that. And now I am so happy that I'm doing this. So Robert is inspired me to be a YouTuber.
See,
Thank
not a
you,
bad
thank
inspiration.
you. Yeah, it was like 2 years ago, right?
Yes.
Or maybe 1 year ago that we started, but we didn't like really intense too much.
Next question.
Who is your celebrity crush?
I don't have one. Sorry.
You don't have it?
No,
Why?
I don't like
You should
celebrities.
have it.
I don't like celebrities.
Okay, but you know mine?
No, I don't know. Oh yeah,
You know.
I know. That guy. What's his name? That singer. What's his name? I know it. It's
Okay.
Shawn Mendes. Yeah, that guy, man.
Yes. Shawn Mendes is my favorite like singer. I don't know. I really like him, and yeah, like long time ago. But now I don't really have a crush on.
I know,
any
because you found your
celebrity
real
now.
crush sitting next to you.
Who is your favorite singer?
Yeah, who's your favorite singer, Radha? Let's start with you.
My favorite singer, I already said like Shawn Mendes,
Oh.
but no.
So wait a second, is the same guy? Singer and crush? This is not right. It's not right.
No. My favorite singer right now is Lisa. I could say my favorite girl group like Blackpink. But yeah, Lisa is one of my favorite person because she is Thai, of course, and I am Thai, and I am so proud of her. We are so proud of her, and yeah, we are like very supporting her back in my country. So I really like Lisa, and she is such a very charming person and very nice, very humble.
And
I really like her.
She's a very inspiration for you. Looks like
Yeah, like her
fashion wise.
style. Yeah.
Fashion wise, very
Her style
influenced
is
by
bomb.
this
Yeah,
singer.
yeah, I really like her. So obsessed.
Obsessed, of course. Yeah.
What about you? Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer. You know, I have a problem with celebrities. I don't have a favorite one. If a song is
No, but
nice,
you're
I like
so
it.
weird.
If a song is nice and I like how it
Okay,
is,
so
I
what
like
is
it.
your favorite song?
I don't have a favorite song.
If you have your favorite song, you can have like your favorite singer.
Yeah,
if you
well,
say
that's
that.
not. No, I don't have, because that song,
My
I just
gosh.
like the song, but I don't like the other songs that the singer sings, because that I don't like the song.
So you don't have it.
I don't have it.
So next question, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up
Okay.
6:55 every day to go to work, and in weekends 10 o'clock.
I see.
How about you?
I don't know, it's just probably like in this quarantine, I wake up pretty late. I could say that. It's gonna be around 9 to 10.
What's your favorite Netflix show?
My favorite Netflix show is Stranger Things, The
Only
Heights.
one. Only one. What's your favorite show? Only one.
Only one?
Yeah,
No.
choose. Pick one. Pick
Stranger
one.
Things.
Well, okay.
But I
Stranger
have
Things.
The Heights too.
Okay, then you need to pick your favorite. Only one.
Yeah, but favorite can
Okay,
be
then
like
let's
more.
pick only one.
What
Mine?
is your? Yeah.
Mine. I can say Money Heist.
Yeah, that's what my favorite too. I think I have Stranger Things, The Heights. What else?
Vagabond.
Vagabond. What else? Crash Landing on You.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my God,
You start
guys.
talking now.
If you guys haven't watched Korean series or Korean drama, please do, because they are so good. We love Vagabond. We love Crash Landing on You. Next, what is your biggest dream? What is my biggest
Yeah, what's
dream?
your biggest dream? Let's
I don't
see.
know. I wish I could go shopping like all the time without thinking about money.
No
and
stress that you
no
have to go to
stress.
work.
Yes, just
Yeah.
shopping.
I guess everyone wants that. You
Yeah,
are not
travel
unique.
all around the
Of
world.
course, yeah.
What about you? What is your biggest dream?
You already said. Everyone, this is everyone's biggest dream, to be their own boss.
Okay. Okay, fair enough.
And you know.
Next question is, if you could change something in the world, what would it be?
Oh, this sounds like my motivational
You should
speech
open
sound
this.
that I made a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
But let's play it right now.
Just one chance to change something. Would you take it? Would you use it to change the past?
Now you're driving to airport right now. I don't understand why you drive to
This
airport.
is nice around here. Okay, I feel like when I drive to the airport, I like to think about travel.
Have you ever stolen anything from store?
No.
No, me too. The next question is gonna be from Instagram. Don't you miss Thailand? I miss Thailand, of course. I wanted to go back this year, but everything like changed. I didn't go back and I stay here instead. But yeah, hopefully next year I will go to Thailand.
We go together.
You wanna go?
I wanna go.
Okay. Are you thinking to go back home?
Not without me. Right?
Yes. Okay. I don't
I
know.
guess.
I have no ideas about my future yet. So right now I'm staying here. I live here. So hopefully I'll be able to stay here longer. How long have you been with your boyfriend? Ooh, love story.
Oh, yeah.
How long we've been together?
Almost 3 years.
Almost 3 years. Yeah.
Okay.
Take it. Okay, drive. Try to drive.
Okay, I drive.
Okay, now my turn.
Alright, so looks like it's your turn to
Okay.
drive. Are you excited?
Yes, I have to wear the glasses too,
Oh,
which I don't
yes.
want to. How is it?
Okay. Right, let's
This
switch.
is the new style. Let's
Switch.
switch. So fun. before I drive, I wanna do a little bit of car tour. I feel like I didn't talk about this. Here is Mercedes CLK 320, and as you can see, this is very cool car. I really like it. What I like about this is the top down. I really like it. It is super perfect for summer and it's comfortable car. It is so perfect. It's very tiny, but as you can see, even though it looks very like a sport car, but there are room for the back seat too, so that is pretty cool. And yeah, that is what I like about this car. The angle is gonna be a little bit different because my seats, guys. So are you ready?
I'm ready. You want to lower the windows or no?
No, I think this is good. You like it like this?
Should we put the wind protection?
Huh? Yeah.
Let's put the wind.
Let's put the wind.
You want to go to Home Depot
Yeah.
and finish there?
Yeah.
Okay.
We are going to buy something.
Yeah, the
trash bag.
Yeah.
Okay. We are going to buy some trash bags. So. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like this video, please give me a like, give me a subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.